how to set up shipping on Shopify. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create, manage, and grow their online stores, in which it provides a user-friendly interface and a range of customizable templates, allowing users with a minimal technical knowledge to build professional-looking websites. And also Shopify supports various sales channels including web, mobile, social media, and online marketplaces. So now to create an account, you can click the login button or start free trial button on the top right. After signing in, you will be directed on this homepage of Shopify, where you can start navigating on the left side panel some of the options. But to start adding a shipping, we can simply click the settings option below here, and upon doing so, on this, just simply click the shipping and delivery option in here. And it will show you on the right side panel the option to navigate. We have here firstly this general shipping rates, in which by clicking on it, it will show us that we can start adding the rates for domestic or even international. We can firstly select here the products and also select the shop location and simply click this icon right here or the pencil icon. However, the location is only default. But to add a new rates, just simply click this add rates button to proceed and just simply choose your country in here or specific location of your shop. And after clicking on it, you can start also by adding the zone name in here. For example, I'm going to enter local zone. Then you could also proceed by simply entering the rate type. I'm going to choose this flat rate. While the shipping rate in here only available is the custom one. For the custom rate name, I'm just going to enter here local rate. Then below you could also enter the custom delivery, which is either this tracking number provided, made to order, or ships next day. And I'm going to choose the tracking number provided. And for the price, you can simply enter here the standard price for the local area. I'm going to enter, for example, 100 pesos. You could also add a conditional pricing, for example, based on item weight. You can simply enter here the weight of the item in order to get the standard pricing. Or you could also enter or base on the order price. But now to proceed, just click the done button to proceed. Now as you can see, we have now successfully added here the local rates. So now just click the save button to save the changes. Then you could also go back on this shipping and delivery option right here, and it will show you some other things that you could also fill out, which is also important in creating a shipping or adding a shipping options in your Shopify store. You can enable third-party calculated rates at checkout and many more. And now to add more rates, you can also do the same process of clicking this option right here. And upon doing so, you will be directed once again on this page. And by choosing the shop location once again, but there's only a default one. So just click add rates button to add more, and in this pop-up window, you simply enter or fill out the required information. For example, the custom rate name in here is free shipping. You can simply fill out the custom delivery description. For example, again, tracking number provided, and for the price is 0. And for this conditional pricing, you can add, for example, base or the order price with a minimum price you can set up in here, and also the maximum price so that the customer can avail the free shipping that we are offering. So as you can see, when a customer try to purchase 9,000 pesos worth of products and above, they will be able to get the free shipping that we just set up. But if you also want to add rate based on the item weight, from here just fill out again the customize or custom rate name, the custom delivery description, which is also optional in this point. And in this name, I'm going to enter, for example, weight rate in here. And it will show you the checkout preview button below. Then you could also set up the prices. Or firstly, for example, I'm going to enter here the price of 500 pesos. And for the conditional pricing, you simply click this one and click based on item weight. You can choose here the minimum weight for the item to get the pricing and even the maximum of it. For example, for the minimum weight of 5 kilogram, for example, in here, and the maximum weight of 10 kilogram, customers can get this 500 pesos pricing for the shipping. So now as you can see, we've now successfully created at least 3 shipping methods. And now to save the changes, just click the save button on the top panel. But moving on in here, as you can see, we only have here add the local delivery shipping method. But if you also want to add new for international, just simply click this create a custom profile button. Then you will be directed in this page and just simply fill out the profile name. But the important part is this shop location, where you can simply add more location in here, where you can search for different countries. So all you need to do is you simply click on here, these 236 countries or regions that are not any in your markets. So from here, just simply check the boxes of the country that you want to sell your products to. And as you can see, it is also divided into different kind of continents. We have here Asia, Europe, Africa, Oceania, North America, South America, and many more. So basically, you can simply choose here specifically the country or check all of this kind of continents. And if you're not done, you can now simply click the add market button to proceed adding the market or sell to the specific country or regions. But make sure to also enter here, for example, international as a market name and click add market to proceed. So now as you can see, we've now successfully add here a new market for the shipping that we're going to add to sell our products to. And after that, from here, we can also start setting up more shipping. For international, just click the shipping and delivery, and after that, simply click this one or options once again. And now from here, it will show you below that you can add an international by clicking this one and choose the specific country or regions. You could also use the search bar in here to search for a specific shipping zone. For example, on the United Arab Emirates, I'm going to choose this one, and also United Kingdom and United States. And after that, just click the done button, but make sure to also enter the zone name. I'm going to enter international. And after that, just click the done button once again. And from here, we can now start adding the shipping for international by clicking the add rates button below here, which is this one. So as you can see, by clicking this one on this pop-up window, just enter the custom rate name, the prices, which is the same process as we did earlier. So basically, as you can see, we've now successfully can create here an international and local shipping rates. And overall, that is just basically how to set up shipping on Shopify.